Still managing your stock in spreadsheets that feel like spreadsheets? What's in stock? What sold? What did we earn? No idea. Meet Excel Inventory, the all-in-one inventory, billing, and profitability system. Inside Excel, Dashboard. Get a real-time overview of sales, profits, and low stock alerts. Invoice form. Create sales or purchase invoices in seconds. No formulas needed. Customers and suppliers. Track who owes you and who you owe. Stay in control. Reports. Visual reports reveal your top products and monthly profits. Settings. Customize everything, categories, units, and reorder points. One Excel file, total control, no subscriptions, just results. Start mastering your inventory today. Buy once, use forever. Excel Inventory by CustomExcelApps.store.